Making money quickly often involves a balance of risk and effort. Here are a few approaches depending on your skills and tolerance for risk. 1. High-demand skills. Freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer allow you to sell your skills writing, graphic design, coding, etc. for quick payments. Gig economy. Driving for Uber, delivering with DoorDash, or doing tasks on TaskRabbit can provide quick cash. 2. Investing. Stocks, day trading, or swing trading can offer fast returns but comes with high risk. You need a solid understanding of the market. Cryptocurrency. Some people earn fast returns in crypto trading, but this is highly volatile and risky. 3. Flipping. Reselling goods. Buy items at thrift stores, yard sales, or online Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and resell them for a profit. Real estate. If you have capital, flipping houses or rental properties can generate significant returns. 4. Online business. Dropshipping. Starting an e-commerce store without holding inventory can be profitable if done correctly. Affiliate marketing. Promoting products online and earning commissions for sales or leads can provide quick income with the right strategies. 5. Short-term loans. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club allow you to lend small amounts to individuals or businesses and earn interest. It's faster than traditional investing but riskier. However, it's important to weigh the risks. Some strategies that generate quick cash can also lead to losses if not carefully managed.